Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I have some great news to share with y'all. I have 4 recipes featured in Cuisine Noir Magazine. Let's check it out. So I'm at cuisinenoirmagazine.com. We're going to click on the recipes. Gonna scroll down. And there they are. My cabbage and collard greens, sweet potato pound cake, seafood cornbread dressing, and southern fried deviled eggs. And when you click on the photo, it takes you to the recipe. They're my fried deviled eggs. Aren't they pretty? And there's the recipe. Next one, the seafood cornbread dressing. Beautiful. There's the recipe for the cornbread and the dressing. Next is the sweet potato pound cake. And the cabbage and collard greens. How amazing is that? And I want to give a shout out to my good friend V. Cherie Williams and everybody at Cuisine Noir Magazine for featuring my recipes. What an honor, and I'm truly grateful. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love.